What's up, guys? Day 2 working on the Mazda Speed. Got the brakes done yesterday. Today we're going to install a strut. So you're going to undo this top sway bar link. That is a 15 millimeter. You're going to undo this ABS sensor line from here. You're going to pull this clip, pull the brake hose off. And there's a pinch bolt down here. It is a 17 millimeter. It's the bolt right there. Undo that. And then last, you're going to do the 3 strut top bolts here. And they are a 13 millimeter. And first, once you get this pinch bolt out, you're going to hit this knuckle down. And it'll all fall away from the strut. Unhook the sensors. And that there, and then the 3 top bolts and the strut will come right out. Alright, we'll get to it. Alright guys, to get that upper sway bar link bolt loose, I had to throw some heat on it right here, and then I had to hit it with some deep creep, the seafoam deep creep, and then I used the breaker bar with the big extension, and I actually tightened it, loosened, and then tried to loosen, tighten, loosen, then finally it broke free. And then now the impact will take the rest of the way off. For some reason on my upper sway bar links, it doesn't have the bolt that you can hold with the Allen wrench. So there, that zipped it right off. Sway bar links out of the way. Now we just gotta go up top and undo the top ones. Alright, I'll get all these top ones out. I'm gonna break them loose. Just gonna break these loose because I haven't knocked the strut out of the knuckle yet. Go back down, get a big hammer, and knock that knuckle out. Alright guys, let's see if we can get this knuckle drop down from there. Make sure when you're hitting the top of this knuckle, you don't hit the ABS sensor that's right there. Keep that out of the way. There you go guys, that was the easiest part. Actually, so far the hardest part for me was getting the sway bar and link off. But she's out of there. We'll go back up top and undo them last bolts. So I'm going to take and leave one bolt and undo it while I'm holding the strut so it doesn't just fall out of there. Alright guys, there it is, struts out. We'll get the new one in real quick. These are some eBay special struts. I'll put a photo of the link, but they're pretty good price. I used them in the past. For the price, you can't beat them. I'm building this thing on a budget, so it's better than the old crap that was in it. Comes with some new bolt hardware on the top, so put them in. Alright, so you reinstall everything the opposite way you took it apart. So I'm going to hold this strut in with one hand and put one of these bolts up in there just to let it hang. Hand tighten it in. There. Now it can hang down in there. And we'll drop back down, get the lower part back in. You'll have to jack the knuckle up to get it back in and stuff. So, alright, as you can see, I got it started almost in the knuckle. I'm going to jack that control arm up, see if I can get it in. It's a little challenging because I'm doing it by myself, but it's easier when you have somebody to hold it and line it up. Basically like that, right? Looks like it's starting to go. I think it went, eh? Looks like it did. Or is it just compressing the strut? Super hard to jack it up and do all this by yourself. There she went. There we go. Got a ways to go. Alright guys, so I think that's where I'm going to end the video. I don't want to make the video too long. So I'm going to reinstall sway bar and link, reinstall ABS line, reinstall brake line with clip, tighten up cinch bolt, tighten up the top strut bolts. There you have it guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.